Hey guys, welcome back to the WWE Chicken High Flying Division. And today we will be unboxing two more mystery puppets and some plastic army men. Let's get these unboxed. So first I want to start off with the puppets. So first we're going to get out this one and let's see. Okay. Alright, now let's get out this. And, this is the one that we got. And as you see, I love the colors on this puppet. And as you see, I love the pop. And as you see there. And now let's open this next one. Okay guys, now let's get open this second one. Hold on. It's hard to open. And alright. And we got the same one. This. Got the same one, everybody. And yep, so we got two. Well, now let's get out these plastic army men. And oh my god, what? First we have the gray ones, and these look amazing. As you can see, the gray ones. Here's the thing so they can kneel down. I'm gonna get one real quick. As you can see here, that's the thing. And there is their flag. As you can see, they put their flag up there, and then, yeah. So, yeah. And now the next ones that we're going to have are these. Hold on. And these are the next one, the green. As you can see there, that's their flag, and then, yeah, they're the green ones. Okay, next we have red ones. As you can see, the red ones right here. And then, hold on. And then, hold on, let me get their flag. And then here's their flag. Okay. And the last ones we have are more green ones, but with this flag. So we have this one. Let's see, we have this one right here. And we have this one. Gotcha. And now, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.